Hey everyone, it's Josh Evans, Scruples Educator and Stylist at Essence Hair Salon. I'm here in the Scruples Studio to show you how to create a cool crimson look using Scruples True Integrity Cream Color System and Illusionist highlights. For dark-haired clients that want vibrant results, Illusionist is a time-saving highlighting system that combines a lifting agent along with permanent color to provide vibrant results in a single step. Today I'll be showing you how to take a modern approach to this cool crimson technique by utilizing True Integrity permanent and semi-permanent hair color for a deep stretched root that becomes blurred into a radiant red formula. I hope you love this look as much as we do. For more online education and transformations with the Scruples Cream Color System, click the links below. Thanks for watching.